Hello everyone, welcome to our new video today. I'm going to introduce our new products. On my right hand, this one, the connect tubes. Now let me give you the overall dimensions first. For the edge to edge, they are about like a 21 inches by 21 inches. And the depth is about like a 20 inches. For the inner side, it is about like a 19 inches by 19 inches. Looking at the base, they have extra hinge. For this part, it's about like a 3 inches and 21 inches long. This will be all demonstration information about the products. If you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us.